Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you don't remember me or know me, hi, it's me, Angela. Hi. So as you can see for this video, we're going to be doing another unboxing video. However, it's just going to be 3 items, I believe. Not from the last and the first one that I did last time, which was a mystery box for BTS merchandise from Crocodive's Army mystery box. As you can see, again, we're doing a unboxing video, and you might be wondering what we're going to be unboxing. Well, I'll show you. It finally came after waiting for so long, and I am so excited to open this video, guys. I know there's like a lot of other reviews that's already been here in YouTube. However, I want to experience opening this by myself. So let's get to it. So we're gonna be opening BTS's collaboration with the VT Cosmetics, and it's the Sweet Special Edition set, and I believe that it comes with a compact foundation and 2 lip tints. So let's open it. I should have bought a cutter, but it's just come with scissors. Hopefully I don't break it, because you know, there's bugs. Okay. So you might be wondering why I'm suddenly opening makeup out of all the other things that I could unbox. And no, I did not buy this just because BTS is here. It's because I am getting into makeup again, and I am learning how to, I don't want to say doll, but to get comfortable wearing makeup outside. This isn't actually my first kind of makeup try thing. I started I started buying stuff from Olivia. This is not a sponsored video for that one. I just wanted to mention where I buy the cosmetics that I'm currently using at the moment. And also, since it's like during pandemic, more time for me to like, you know, practice. And also, since I'm almost done with school, I just need to finish that last part. Just taking a break for now, so that's a good time to practice. Also, so the brand that I am currently using for makeup is Colorgram, which is the makeup that was featured in one of my favorite Korean drama that that finished last time, which was like True Beauty. And I also love reading the webtoon. That's why the reason I started watching the drama. So enough of me blabbering. Let's open VT collaboration with BTS, the Sweet Special Edition set. Oh yeah, and I got the number 23 color because I have a darker skin compared to 21. And unfortunately, from the website that I bought this, it's currently sold out, which is unfortunate. And I'm just very thankful that I actually got this, because honey, I've been wanting to get my hands on these, except I just didn't have the chance because I was getting sold out in every single website that I've seen. Anywho, so first it's the compact. So it has the VT X BTS collaboration on it. And also one of my reasons why I bought this was because it's Galaxy 6. Anyway, so I bought this just because of its design, first thing, and also because BTS Army. And I mean, anywho, so this is what it looks like. Compact, and then it has the puffy. Sorry, I'm just getting into makeup, so I don't really know what this is called, so please help me out in the comment section, I guess. Anyway, so it's the puffy, and it's just like the BTS, and then in here is the mirror. And then this one. This one. It has the VT and BTS on it. It's really pretty. Hopefully it's gonna suit my skin. So I am going to put it on later. I'm just showing you the product now. And the next one is the 2 lip tint. This one. Okay, it's the first one. It's really hard to see. Hold on. Ooh. Okay, so I have a lamp behind me. So it's this one. It's the Rose Peach. And then the other one is Velvet Burgundy. Sorry. So tempting to read it in Korean. Okay, so the first one is this one. It's, I forgot what this was. It's the Rose Peach. And this is what it looks like. I don't know, this is how you do it, right? This one. It's actually kind of look dark on me, I guess. Put it without the light. But looks a little bit reddish. Obviously. It's the Rose Peach. Okay, then the second one is the Velvet Burgundy. I bet this is going to be a little bit darker. As you can see. Compared to the other one was like the, I want to say the brush. This thing. I'm sorry, I don't know what this is called. But it's a bit redder. This is the other one compared. They're kind of similar in the camera, but I already ruined it. Anyways, so it might look similar in the camera. See if the help, but it actually looks different. So this one is a little bit lighter, I guess, lighter color. Honey, what's it darker? I don't know. I think I put way too much on here, but so in my eyes it looks darker. But in here, this looks darker. This is the second one. This looks darker here compared to one on my arm first. Compared to this one. This is the first one I put in my wrist compared to them. This one looks lighter in here between the two, but if you put it on your skin, probably, I don't know. So I think it's about time I put it on my face. Hopefully this doesn't get messed up. So let me just get clip. Hopefully I don't mess this up because that'll be really embarrassing, but whatever. Just let me clip my hair, and hopefully the foundation doesn't look that bad. Also, yeah, from the last video that I uploaded, I had long hair, but it's been, I don't know, it's been 10 months since I last posted a vlog. That's just sad. I'm really sorry. I've been busy with school. You know, college life is like making me old. Anywho, so let's get on to the makeup video review. The review. I heard from the people actually that they're not a big fan of VT Cosmetics. However, for me, it's my first time purchasing a product from them, so I don't really know what to say, I guess. Just got another bobby pin because this other part of the hair is kind of annoying me. I'm scared it might go in my face. Sorry, it was kind of tempting to remove the mirror. There's another mirror in front of me. Anywho, I'll use the mirror if I need it, but I have a mirror in front of me. Okay, so we're now going to apply it onto my face, and hopefully this tone will work out for my skin. I mean, I'm not really that dark, I guess. Just tap. Let's just try. Okay. This is really weird. How do you put this on? Oh. Okay. It's way too it's way too pale on me. Wait. I look like I'm about to go to. Okay. At least we know this is not my tone. I look like just turn it off. Wait, this is kind of really funny. Let's just pretend this is not an unboxing video. It's just a way for me to make you guys laugh during this difficult time. This is me making fun of myself. Oh my god, this is so funny. I'll just use the mirror. Yeah. Just looking at myself in the camera and the mirror makes me laugh. You know, you're trying way too hard. It's like you put so much powder. I remember when I was little, I'm not sure if many of you know this, but I'm actually Filipino. Probably you would, by the way that I speak in English. Anyways, going to a story. I remember when I was like still going to school in the Philippines, and my mom was still like helping me get ready and stuff for school. She would always put like way too much like powder on me because it's like really hot in the Philippines, and for you to be able to survive and not look like you're coming from the garbage can, you need to like put powder, I guess, maybe in my case, but you need to put powder so that you don't sweat easily since it's really hot in the Philippines. When I was in the Philippines, I were literally like not before, yeah, before going to school and like, you know, get ready and stuff to go to the bus and get like someone to drop me off to school. Before that happens, you need to put so much powder on because my face sorry, my face and my neck is not the same color. Also, unfortunately for this one, I'm going to go off topic for now, talking about life in the Philippines when I was a little. Anywho, so never mind. Actually, I forgot what I was going to say. So let's just make my neck even. But actually, I really like it. Like, actually, I really like it, to be honest. It's making your skin looks smooth, I guess. Smooth. I don't know. So yeah, going back to the story, when I was in the Philippines, I would always need to put so much powder, like my back and my face and my neck, because the weather there is like really hot. But yeah, when I was in the Philippines, I would always need to put so much powder on my face and on my back because I get really hot easily. Just pretend it's even, because I'm really bad at this. I'm really hoping that I could get like some improvements in makeup, 'cause I wanna try to make one myself. We're going to like salon and stuff. 'Cause dang girl, when I was in like high school, I was going to like a salon for my graduation like party after the graduation ceremony. And I'll just tell you, I'm a very cheap person. I don't really like spending a lot of money, other than like when I started in college, I had to spend a lot of money. It's kind of weird. But if you go to my room, like seriously, don't see us merch. I'm so sorry to my bank account during those times, but yeah, going back to the salon. I didn't really go to the salon when I was getting ready for my graduation party, because first of all, I didn't have a job back then, which is really sad. And also, I was caught on. I didn't have much time left to get ready and go to the salon. Also, I didn't want to like tell my parents to pay for stuff for me. I was just like this item that you can, hide your double chin when you're chubby, but no. Okay, I think it's okay now. It's just my review for the foundation. It's like when you're buying like a foundation for like a Korean cosmetic brand, don't purchase the one that's like 23 if you have the same skin tone as I do when I started the video, before I put this in my face. But yeah, but actually compared to like the camera right now to what I'm seeing right now in my mirror, it looks okay. Like I would Honestly, when I was starting makeup, this was actually not similar, but close to the color that I tried on, because my sister and I at the same time was like getting into makeup, so I'm thankful it's free. And so she bought me a foundation, and I'm like really thankful, because that's when I started getting into makeup again, and trying on stuff. And oh yeah, I specifically put on my contacts just so that I could try it on this foundation, because with my glasses I can't see. I would be like this close to the camera, and you guys wouldn't want that to happen, right? But yeah, let's just get on the next one. I don't know how many more dabbing I need to do. Like on like the mirror in front of me, it looks okay, but like when I turn on the one in the laptop, it looks, I got possessed by Sudaku. Many of you might know what that is. That is Meningi. Let's pretend this is okay now. I don't know how many more dabbing I need to do. But yeah, if you have the same like skin tone as I do, from my skin tone in the beginning, don't purchase this. I mean, depends on you. But anywho, let's move on to the lip tint. Actually, I want to try the rose peach. I just feel like it's gonna look good on me. Let's pretend it's gonna look good. I'm always looking at this. I'm a ghost. I am a ghost. I'm a ghost. Okay. Let's just try if this can give me justice when I use, like, go outside on my room. She's like, why's your face so crusty? It's like, I don't know how to put makeup on. Okay, let's just pretend that it's like working. Let's move on. Imagine if I had like that, what do you call that? The light thing. Anyway, so if I have that, my sister has one downstairs, but imagine if I have that right now, my face would be even more like. Okay. It's kind of weird because like, when I was reading the reviews for this one, people are saying that okay. It's making me look even weird. This is so weird, oh my gosh. Just pretend it's the lighting is not my fault. I actually acknowledge all makeup artists. How do you manage to make yourself and someone look so good with makeup? I could even like, I'm not even sure if I did it correctly. I think this is the end of the video. It's kind of weird, but I really like it actually. Maybe if it just weren't for the color matching my skin tone, I think it would work for most people that are like lighter skin, and maybe my sister, I'm guessing. But yeah, so I guess that is... Actually, hold on. Let's actually give myself some justice. Let's actually put on some makeup. Let me just quickly do my makeup and let's see if it's going to work. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm using hologram, not an advertisement. Right, this is not sponsored. So I'm gonna do this really quickly for you guys. I thought I was gonna mess up eyeliner. I actually got it. Okay. I'm not gonna put any more other than this last one. Okay. My makeup look is done. So, just to end the video, this is my review of Viti cosmetic collaboration with BTS, which is, what was the name? The Sweet Special Edition set, which includes a foundation compact and 2 lip tips. See you guys in my next vlog. Wonder when will that be? Just the last bit. I actually managed to make myself look good, even though I know the thing might look crazy. They're my brows, cause you know them fake, but I actually managed to give myself justice with foundation. Hi, it's Angela V. Jelly V again. I would like to thank everyone for watching this unboxing video of BTS collaboration with Vita Cosmetics. So yeah, I'd like to see everyone again for my next video. Hoping I can post again sometime this month, hopefully. So, like and subscribe to my channel and see you guys in this video. Bye!